Okay, so all you should do is head right over to this link from a Safari browser. I'll provide you the link in the description too. It won't work from any other browser as you'll get a prompt like this. So just add it to home screen. Add. So you'll get this icon called Samsung iTest. Fire it up. And here is the historic moment as an Android is greeting you on an iPhone. Press next. Next. Let's go. And whoa, One UI on an iPhone. So this is basically like a web page, or you can say kinda like a launcher where you can just explore and experience how a Samsung device would look. It's very limited when it comes to functionality, but I'll show you around. Let's go to messages. Opens pretty well. Looks exactly like what you'll get on a Samsung device. Dialer looks good too. Let's go to settings. Wow, I must say they have really put some efforts over here. Let's go to Galaxy Store, which I feel nobody uses even if you have a Samsung device. Let's go to Gallery. Whoa, you can even view pictures. That was very unexpected. Galaxy Wear. Oh, you get all the Samsung wearables here. Nice. Galaxy themes. Okay, I'm excited for this as when it comes to customization, iOS is very limiting. Let's try if we can apply any theme. Oh my god, just look at this beauty. Dark theme on an AMOLED display on an iPhone. So amazing. Please Apple at least add theme support to iOS so that we can customize the user experience the way we want. How hard is it really? Let's try this pink one too. Wow, as you can see, it just takes some seconds to fully change how your phone looks. Really miss this on iOS. What else we have here? Oh, game launcher. Fortnite on the iPhone. Okay, make all the jokes you want. So guys, you should really experience this on your iPhone. It's free and it's fun to explore. And to close it, just swipe up and you'll exit to your home screen. That's it guys, give it a like and subscribe for more tech content and press the bell icon so that you get notified about future videos when I post them. Thanks for watching guys, take care.